India and its neighborhood. So, 14th round talk were held between senior military commander of India and China to find solution to the long standoff in mountain of eastern Ladakh. The two sides issued joint statement about they would be consulted earlier and outcome. This will progress. So the 13th round of the talk like border between is not clearly demarcated. 3488 kilometer length mutually agreed line of actual control. China shares its land boundary with 14 countries including India, third longest after Mongolia and Russia. Okay, so China, then Mongolia, then Russia. First is China, then Mongolia, then Russia will be. What the disputed area? Hot Spring area, Aksai Chin area, Galwan Valley, Gogra, Dipsang and Daulat Beg, Oldie and Chulsul and Chumar. So frictional point is a border that India shares with China, stretch from the India-China-Myanmar transactional in the east to Karakoram Pass in the west. Here are the historical aspect of this. Eastern sector is the national frontiers. Central sector is the Sikkim and Chumbi Valley, and Nathula Pass is there. Then is the Daulat Beg Oldie and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and now next is the Aksai Chin area. So this is the land boundary between the two countries has been shared here. Okay, and now this will be the western sector, which is the Johnson line, and Aksai Chin is the then princely state of Jammu Kashmir. Does not accept the Johnson line. Middle sector, it is the only one where the India and China have exchanged maps of they broadly agree. And the eastern sector, the dispute boundaries over the McMahon line. Next, 1993 agreement on the maintenance of the peace and tranquility, agreement on the confidence building and military field, protocol on the modalities for the implementation of confidence building, agreement on the establishment of the working mechanism for the consultation and coordination India and China border and border defense for the cooperation in the agreement. Next is the one China policy. US declaration to defend Taiwan if China attacks its seemingly changing long-standing American strategy ambiguity. Recognizing the China claim over the Taiwan under the One China policy. Taiwan Relation Act 1979. US is committed to help the Taiwan invasion by the China. Over One China policy, country seeking diplomatic relation, People Republic of China, and must break the official relation between Republic of China. India's stand has been recognizing One China policy, and since India stopped the use of the One China policy, bedrock increased the Chinese aggression over the line of actual control. One China Two System is the National People Congress approved Hong Kong national security law. This brought a decade-old policy of the People Republic of China into the one country two system. It was originally proposed to unify the China and Taiwan, and the idea restructures when China started talk with Britain and Portugal, who were running Hong Kong and Macau. So under the model, China proposed that Hong Kong and Macau can have different economic and political system from that of maintained China while being a part of the China. Likewise, Hong Kong returned to the China country. Macau sovereignty was transferred to 1999. Both region, special administration region and the China with their own currency, economic, legal system, but defense and foreign affairs would be decided by the China. Also, Hong Kong have freedom of assembly and speech and some democratic rights. So basic law, a mini constitution that relationship of the Hong Kong and China. Indo-Tibet. So China has completed the construction of a strategic significant highway in the Tibet, Wu, China. So access to the along with disputed region of Arunachal Pradesh and dubbed Asia Water Tower. Tibet Glacier feeds the Asia's great rivers, Asia's water tower we can say. So Brahmaputra making Yangtze, Indus, Yellow, Solvent, mineral water from the plateau has become one of the region first commercially tapped. So 5 principle of the Panchsheel Agreement: mutual non-aggression, peaceful coexistence, mutual non-interference, mutual respect to each other, and equality and mutual benefits will be there. Biggest copper we found in the Tibet: iron, lead, zinc, cadmium, crude oil, natural gas. Buddhist was introduced in Tibet because India it's a home to Dalai Lama, religious leader deeply respected by the people of India. After Panchsheel agreement on the trade and intercourse between the Tibet region and China, India gave extra territorial right to the Tibet, and military escort for the post telegraph accepted the constitution and integral part of China, and Tibet policy is and support the act USA. So it's called for the establishment US consult in the Tibet main China city of Lhasa, the absolute rights of the Tibetan to choose a successor to the Dalai Lama, and Tibetan environment. Central Tibetan administration was reflecting to the Tibetan diaspora. Next one is the India and Bangladesh. So India and Bangladesh is the Golden Jubilee 15-year agreement between the India-Pakistan war on the liberation of Bangladesh. India, one of the first country to recognize the Bangladesh and established the trade relation between the Bangladesh, biggest trading partner of this 9.5 billion. To address the trade imbalance, India has offered duty-free access to the multiple Bangladeshi product and is developing 10 integrated checkposts with a state-of-art facility. Military cooperation was the exercise Samprati in Milan. India has also extended 500 million line of credit to Bangladesh for the defense import from India. Both the government are restoring 1965 rail link and other connectivity link, railway link between the Haldibadi and the Chillahati. What is Haldibadi and Chillahati? And work on the Akhura Agartala rail link. Both countries committed to the Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal and India BBIN motor vehicle agreement for the regulation of passenger, personal and cargo vehicular traffic. Mongla international goods like port of the Chittagong and Mongla, border management between the Bangladesh and land boundary agreement, delimitation maritime boundary, and tourism is that 35% of India's international medical tourism we do from Bangladesh. So Bangladesh protocol to the inland water transit and trade. This is inclusion of new routes and declaration of the new port of call. Port of call are immediate stop for ship on its scheduled journey, taking supply of fuel, and was signed 1972 for 5 years, under which inland vessel was the transit through the specified other. India-Myanmar Thailand trilateral highway. India-Myanmar Thailand trilateral highway was the trans-border corridor proposed to connect the More and Manipur and Mahsot in the Thailand. So More, Manipur and Mahsot. It is a grant and aid initiative by the India part of Act East policy aimed at the opening gate for the ASEAN and boost trade to the commerce. It is expected to completed by India has also proposed the extended highway to Cambodia and Laos and Vietnam. So Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam. Highlighting the recent virtual summit between the Prime Minister, India and Bangladesh border management security cooperations, both sides agreed to work toward the finalizing the delineation of the fixed boundary Ichamati, Kalindi, Raimongol, Haribanga and the Kushiala River. So connectivity inaugurated between the Haldibadi, India and Chillahati, Bangladesh. Bangladesh expressed keen interest into the India-Myanmar Thailand highway project. Cooperation in water resource, power, energy underscored need for the conclusion framework of interim agreement. Manu, Mohuri, Kovai, Gumti, Darla and the Dudhkumar agreed to expedite the implementation project, including the India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline, Maitri Super Thermal Power Project also. So India-Nepal. So India-Nepal is the reports to claiming there India is undertaking construction activity in area of Nepal. The Nepal government published a map including 370 square kilometer Kalapani, Limpiadura, Lipu Lake and Nepal considered to be the Sugoli territory, which is the Gorkha region of the Kathmandu, East India. Only authentic document of the boundary delineation. Sugauli Treaty is the mark Kali River as a northwest border with India. Origin of Kali River interpreted differently for the Nepal. River originates from the Limpiadura and triangular shaped land for Limpiadura, Lipulekh and Kalapani. So river begins to the village of Kalapani, which reduced the Nepal territorial demand. Lipulekh Pass has been used by the pilgrimage tourist way of the Kailash Mansarovar height. Lipulekh aids to the India surveillance China movement, and recently the relation between the border and the blockage following a protest by the Madheshi of the Nepal and some of the ethnic group against the marginalized disinterest Nepalese constitution. India Bhutan. First time China included the Bhutan eastern sector to be the boundary disputes. China has attempted to stop the UNDP as a global environment facility funding for the Sakting wildlife sanctuary. So claiming it was the disputed territory but was overruled. Now so far dispute of Jarlung, Pasamlung and the Doklang plateau is there. So Bhutan has been created boundary negotiation, does not have any formal diplomatic relations, but 1982 concentrated mainly northwest Bhutan, Doklam and Chicken Neck was Siliguri corridor buffer between India and China. Chinese army had introduced the Doklam Plateau, which is Bhutanese territory, lying at the trijunctional of India, Bhutan, China. India-Bhutan Friendship Treaty issued to the relation. Inter-country river dispute. What are the river dispute? You can see now Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, India and Myanmar. So India Nepal has the Kosi River and Mahakali River where they are disputing to each other for embankment in Nepal and water sharing. Next, India Pakistan is the Indus Water Treaty. So allocation of the western Indus Chenab Jhelum to Pakistan and three river Ravi, Byas, Satluj to India. It was signed between India Pakistan 1960 with the World Bank also being the signatory. And a notable feature of the establishment of permanent Indus Commission with one commission of each country to implement the settle the different dispute by agreements, a neutral expert court arbitration any owner agreed. India China Memorandum of Understanding River Brahmaputra and the Satluj. So expert level mechanism to discuss the interaction and cooperation on provision of flood seasons. India China Memorandum of Understanding for the Brahmaputra and Satluj. India Bangladesh the Ganges Treaty is there, which is their mutual border transmission of floods and forecasting data for the Ganga, Teesta, Brahmaputra and Barak Valley. India Bhutan is the comprehensive scheme for establishment of hydroelectrical and flood forecasting network for the Bhutan and joint group expert for the flood management. Other is the Mekong Ganga River Cooperation. India's foreign ministers seeking to multidimensional engagement with the Mekong region. India, Cambodia, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos and Vietnam boost cooperation in range of area including connectivity, education, tourism and culture. So Mekong is there. India Vietnam 5th anniversary of India Vietnam comprehensive partnership was country signed memorandum of understanding in parliamentary cooperation, information technology, marine science. India Vietnam relation historical roots to common struggle. So it's elevated the high level strategic partnership between the comprehensive strategic partnership. Swami Vivekanand Cultural Center established Hanoi to foster the closer link with the both of cultural exchange, quick impact project and each valued to 50,000 in different province of Vietnam for develop the community infrastructure. India has given the Vietnam 600 million line of credit for buying defense equipment from India. Next one is the last place of the South China Sea. So it's a Mount Kun Peak is Suru Valley that is in Kargil. Sakting region that is Bhutan. Suru Valley where that is in Kargil. Very important Suru Valley and Mount Kun Peak which is in Kargil. South China Sea, then Chagos Island near to the south to the Maldives, Agalega Island which is in the Mauritius, and the Gwadar Port which is in the Pakistan. So you can see this Mount Kun Peak and Suru Valley which is in Kargil. South China Sea, China is the carrier task for the group recently conducted exercise which is described to the route training. China registers unclosed arbitration tribunal ruling. China cannot claim historical rights resources, but 9-dash line is important. It is the international agreement that resulted from the third United Nations Conference of the Lower Sea. It defined the right and responsibility of the nation, their use of the world ocean establishment guidelines for business, environment and management of marine resources. India signed convention 1982 and 1999. So you can see this figure. So here is the 9-dash line. Taiwan, Philippines claim in the Taiwan, Vietnam claim in the Paracel and Spratly and the Paracel Island, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam and the Brunei claim is here and the Malaysian claim is here. So this Spratly and Paracel Island you can see in this figure. Okay, now next one is the Agalega Island. Agalega Island is in Mauritius and its denied reports allowing India military base Agalega consists of North Iceland and the South Iceland. India signed the agreement Mauritius of development of Agalega. So it's a North Iceland, Port St. Clair, South Iceland. Agalega Island is the Wind Sing and the St. James. So it's the Mauritius. Now Chagos Island, Mauritius have welcomed to the Universal Postal Unit's decision to ban the British stamp from the being used to the Chagos Archipelago. This Mauritius become the independent. So Chagos Archipelago remain under the British control of the military. You can see in this figure Chagos also. So this is Djibouti, Somalia, Comoros, Seychelles, Maldives and it's a Chagos Island in the Mauritius again. Agalega Island also is Seychelles part and Mauritius part also Agalega, and Tromelin Island is also there, and Cargados, Carajos, Carados and Rhode Ridge Island is also there. This is Mauritius, Reunion Island under the France. Now Mount Kun being Suru Valley. This is the Nunkun mountain massif which is highest feature of Janskar range of Mount Kun. It was Italian mountain marine for the Borel di Gospa. So here you can see modeled NHIB and NH1B. Okay. Now next one is the Sakteng region. China has laid claim over the Bhutan Sakteng region of the wildlife sanctuary in the Bhutan. This is the Sakteng region. Next is Maldives. Recently contract for the largest ever infrastructure project, Great Malay Connectivity, Maldives was signed. It was consist of the causeway link between the Malay and thereby Iceland, Willinguli and Gulhi Falu and the Tipu Fusi. India construction has been tasked completing the project. So ये है Thila Fusi and the Gulhi Fasu, Willingudi and Malay, and the Velana International Airport is also there. Gwadar Port area of the witnessing protect the bedrock of China-Pakistan economic corridor work the progress located in the southwest province of the Balochistan. It was the water deep sea port situated on the Arabian Sea. It formed a natural homemade-shaped peninsula in the close vicinity of the Chabar port in iron on the Gulf of Oman. It's being developed by India and significant from the trade and security perspective also. So you can see this is the Chabar, Chabar port, Kabul and Mumbai, and this whole area you can see here. Okay, now next one is the Indo-Pacific and India Ocean region. So Indo-Pacific initiative. India was launched East Asia Summit in November, which is open non-treaty based initiative for the constructing the work together for collaborative solution to the common challenge. Maritime security and resources capacity building, information sharing, maritime connectivity, disaster management, free and open Indo-Pacific for the Japan. EU for the strategy for the cooperation of Indo-Pacific is geographical construction for substitute of the Asia-Pacific represented the eastward global development integrated theater that combines the India Ocean and Pacific Ocean landmass that surround them. It is primarily marine space, but Indo-Pacific is also associated with the maritime security and cooperations. Different countries intervene to the region differently. Country like US describe the India-Pacific as a region. Americans ensure of the India subcontinent. For the Japan, the concept of the much border is expanses extending to the shore of African continent. Major stakeholders in the regions: India, USA, Australia, Japan, ASEAN, other maritime nations. Strategic position will be there. Important sea line and communication vision choke points for the Mozambique Channel and Bab el Mandab west to the Lombok East. Trade economy: 65% of world population, across 62% of world GDP. Country: 46% world mercantile. Richness in natural resources including the offshore hydrocarbon, methane, seabed methane, rare earth metal and fishes. China factors: China aggressive policy, rapid economic expansion and the military modernization and power projection has raised several flags. And Japan, Australia signed a reciprocal access treaty. So this was a closely defense bolstered the security tie against the backdrop of the rising China military economic might. Australia and Japan military to work seamlessly to the defense and humanitarian operations, enhance the contribution of the Japan and the Australia to peace stability of the India-Pacific region. Earlier, including the France, Germany, European released the strategy. First Quad Summit. So Quad is a quadrilateral dialogue between the USA, Australia, Japan. So it's a formation of the Tsunami Core Group. As to the freedom proposed by the Japan Quad security dialogue, first meeting Malabar exercise dissipated. Australia indicated continuation of Quad may be in the interest. Trilateral meeting between the Quad meeting in the Manila and the Maiden Quad Summit. So its summit announced the key initiative launched to the Quad Infrastructure Coordination Group, building the G7 Build Back Better and rally expertise for the capacity influence to strengthen ongoing infrastructure for the region and identify the new opportunity. Establish a clean hydrogen partnership to strengthen and reduce the cost across all elements of clean hydrogen value chain. Enhance the climate adaptation, resilient preparedness in the Indo-Pacific. Semiconductor supply to map the capacity, identify the vulnerability, bolster the supply chain security. Common approach, emerging technologies, cyber security, addressing the climate change and all that. Next is supply chain resilience, which is the recently Trade Ministry India, Australia, Japan decided to launch an initiative on the supply chain resilience, first proposed by the Japan, and invite to the like-minded country to the Indo-Pacific. So it is the approach help to the ensure diversified supply risk clutch of the supplying nation instead of being dependent so unanticipated natural tsunami, earthquake and pandemic man-made such as the disrupt the supply. So it's who is the supply chain resilience: Australia, Japan and India. So global supply chain or network that can be span across the multiple continents, and it will involve the flow of information, could adversely impact the economic activity, but India Pacific into economic powerhouse which build the implementary relationship between the partners country. Next is the Sea of Japan, Hiroshima, Japan, Taiwan Strait, Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, and the New Caledonia and the France. Taiwan Strait is the quadrilateral security dialogue Quad. Quad is the Taiwan Strait talk to the peace stability in the G7. So quadrilateral security dialogue stability G7 and jointly statement USA, Japan, Korea. Formosa Strait is also there with the average of 180 separates the Taiwan from the Fujian province and mainland China, connecting South China Sea and East China Sea. Guangzhou, Taipei and the Taiwan is also there. Now Papua New Guinea is there. So country has the main flight from the India indefinitely accused India diplomatic receptions. So world third largest island is that Papua New Guinea Island. Border the Bismarck Archipelago Islands and Britain and New Ireland. The Admiralty Island for the Bougainville Island and Buka part of the Solomon Island. So this is also port of Moresby and Federation State of the Micronesia, Marshall Island, Nauru, Solomon Island and Vanuatu, New Caledonia and the Guam Island. Now next is the Sea of Japan. So successfully launched the cruise missile from the Sea of Japan. Geographical boundary is the Japan and Sakhalin Island, Russia and Korea. It's connected the East China Sea to Okhotsk Sea. An important conflict Japan claims is Kuril Island and Northern Territory of the Okhotsk Island. So Sea of Japan, you can see East Sea, La Perouse Strait and Aniwa Bay, Tatar Strait, Korean Strait, Pacific Island, Sakhalin Island. You can see Indonesia. Recently, Indonesia announced the ship into the Jakarta to East Kalimantan. So it's in Nusantara, meaning to the archipelago, largest archipelago of the world, which is 17,000 islands for the equator. Fourth most populous worlds and the shares land border with Malaysia, Iceland, Borneo, Papua New Guinea on the island of New Guinea, and Timor. Let's say for the Timor, Iceland of Timor, maritime boundary Australia, India, Palau, and Philippines, Singapore, and the Thailand. Hiroshima, Japan is 75 years of the atomic bombing on the Hiroshima. Its project is the Manhattan Project. Atomic bombs first called the Little Boy and drop into the city Hiroshima, which is the flat man also. So Pacific Ocean in Japan, Sea of the Japan and the Philippines, and all these areas are there. New Caledonia of the France is the island territory of the New Caledonia. Chose stay part of the France in the referendum, boycotted pro-independent force. Nomina Accord is the Caledonia for the limited autonomy is the French legal system. Caledonia. Now next is India, Central Asia and Russia. 50 years on Indo-Soviet Treaty. Indo-Soviet Treaty, Peace, Friendship and Cooperation 1971. Each party shall respect independence, sovereignty of territorial integrity, to halt arms race and to achieve the general complete the disarmament, including the both nuclear and conventional. Treaty condemned the colonialism and maintained the regular contact between each other, binds both parties, abstain from the overriding assistance and engage in the armed conflict, consolidate the expand mutual cooperation, economic, scientific and technological, and both countries mean to meeting the exchange of view. So India and Russia relation, defense partnership, technology transfer, joint development of the parties will be selling export equipments. An agreement not existing, but it has to provided the enhancement of India for BrahMos cruise missile program, Sukhoi and tactical missile will be there. So economical relation between of them improved further. 7.5 billion. Russia and India is expanding the various way of the enhancing bilateral trade, energy security, and the Kudankulam reactor adopted strategy vision to the nuclear energy, offered oil and gas investment opportunity to the fuel sector. Russia, Sakhalin 1, both extending the civil nuclear cooperation of third country of Bangladesh. Space technology, the former Soviet Union launched India first two satellites. Aryabhatta Bhaskar provided India cryogenic technology, built the heavy rockets. International standing, Russia, India bid for permanent seats. UNSC, it has been favoring the India enter to the nuclear supply group. SCO, BRICS and G20 cultural relation program. Namaste Russia. Eastern Economic Forum speaking. 6th Eastern Economic Forum Summit. India and Russia established the Eastern Economic Forum, international forum for each other. Vlasti was the Russia. Development of Russia Far East cooperation in the Asia Pacific region. Act East policy in the forum for providing the 1 billion line of credit for the development of resources rich India. Act East policy is also India Russia military cooperation. This is the India-Russia summit, which is the 10th year defense cooperation pact, and S-400 air defense system. Triumph air defense missile system is there for the S-400 regiment defense capability. Joint production of 600,000 AK-203 assault rifles. Bilateral trade to the bilateral investment into the 50 billion. Reserve Bank of India, Bank of Russia, Reserve Bank of India, RBI, Bank of Russia jointly cyber attacks, jointly fight against the terrorism and Al-Qaeda, drug trafficking and organized crime. So S-400 Triumph air defense missile system, CATSA, was most advanced mobile air defense missile system. It is equipped with the 4 different missiles. It can be the aircraft, ballistic missile, airborne warning, air control system. AWACS is also there. CATSA Act was the countering American adversity through the Sanction Act was the Russia, Iran and North Korea. Apart from the sanctions, deal with the India and the currently S-400 deal between India, Russia and a strategic ally to the market like India. US lawmakers have introduced the bill of sanction. India, Central Asia. So if I am talking about Central Asia, not the Middle East. So Central Asia is the Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Kyrgyzstan. You can see the capitals Astana, then Bishkek, then Tashkent, then Dushanbe, then Ashgabat is the last one. So Ashgabat is the last one. First is Astana, then Bishkek and AB, then Tashkent again ABT, then D again Dushanbe, last is again A. A is the last shore and B is the second one. So extended to the neighborhoods. 5 also a member of the organizations. If I am going to the west to the east, then first will be Bishkek, then will be Dushanbe, First Bishkek, then Astana, then Dushanbe, and then Tashkent, then Ashgabat. Okay, and it's a neighboring, also member of the organization Islamic Cooperation. So it's important for the bridge between the different region of the Asia between Europe and ensuring peace. Abundant minerals we can found oil, petroleum. Recent summit were the 4C approach, focusing on the commerce, capacity enhancement, connectivity to further expand the cooperation under India, Central Asia. So on the Central and the South Asian region, connectivity challenge opportunity for the Tashkent and Uzbekistan. India connect the Central Asia policy for the broad-based approach, including the political, security, economic, cultural connection, international North-South corridor agreement, connectivity for the India, Central Asia, Iran. India also explored the possibility of the connecting with the Central Asia, Iran, Chabahar port and the corridor passing through Afghanistan to facilitate transport of goods. India, Central Asia, Iran. India has acceded the Custom Convention for the transport goods and ITIR Garnet Ashgabat Agreement, which is Iran, Oman, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan signed. Now next is India and West Asia. So it's a Taiwan have seized the power in the Afghanistan, captured the Kabul after US withdrawal from the country. India concluded the Operation Devi Shakti, which is citizen and Afghan partner from the Afghanistan. The Taliban, which means to the student in the Pashto language, emerged around the South Afghan city of Kandahar. One of the functions fighting civil wars, control of the country following withdrawal of Soviet Union. So guarantee to prevent use of the Afghan soil, international terrorist and permanent comprehensive ceasefire timeline for US coalition force Afghanistan and dialogue and negotiation between the Taliban and Afghanistan. Operation Sukoon, which is the Sri Lankan Nepalese citizen was from war-hit Lebanon. Operation Safe Homecoming evacuated the India's citizen fleeing to the civil war in Libya. Operation Rahat is for the Yemen. So Taliban Afghan civil war is there. Began to the Oslo talk. Okay, Oslo talk is there by the Norway. Focus on the human rights and humanitarian crisis. Afghanistan humanitarian situation deteriorating drastically. So civil war for the control of the country and withdrawal of the Soviet Union. So it's taken the control almost all the country and were only removed from the power by US led, and is the Islamic law accomplished by the introduction brutal punishment to the right to education and free movement. Now next one is India investment in Afghanistan. So this is constructing the upgrading the rebuilding restoring the buildings, building Afghanistan parliament, reconstruction Salma Dam, establishment of electrical transmission Pole Khumri Kabul construction Jaran Dilaram road, high impact community development project which is finance to the medium project area, education, health and the management. So transfer various objects like ambulance, buses, biscuit, medicine, Mi-25, Mi-35 choppers, Airbus aircraft, national airlines, material and substations, transmission lines, Faryaj province, military vehicle for the Afghanistan, ambulance for people to people exchange, and providing the Indian for technical advisory for Afghanistan, offering scholarship and organizing training. Dahla Dam is Afghanistan irrigation and Kandahar province, Afghanistan. Bagram airfield is the Bagram airfield which is proximity to the Kabul, so USA is based. Nikki Haley is the claim that China is making move to occupy the Bagram air base occupied by USA. China can use it against India, overcome the strategic disadvantage of the Tibet-India-China border. Jaran Nimroj province, its capital to fall Taliban. And USA reached their Jaran Nimroj province. Okay, Mazar-e-Sharif, India will temporarily relocate the India-based personnel from the consulate to Mazar-e-Sharif. So urgent call for evacuation of the Indian national. Panjshir Valley, Panjshir Valley is located Hindu Kush mountain. Panjshir, which is flow to the length, almost 100% population. Valley is ethnic Tajik. Special feature is the silver crystal of the earth mineral too we can found here. Known for the graveyard. Kandahar is for the Taliban fighter for the Kandahar gate. Kandahar consulate is the main city for the Afghanistan, Tarnak River and south central Afghanistan. India and Iran is the Farjat is the gas field which is important natural gas corporation. So Farjat B gas field and the oil natural gas Persian Gulf Chabahar port we can found here. Jaran, Dilaram, Iran, Gulf of Oman, Arabian Sea. So gas condensate about the 5,000 barrel for the billion of cubic and was discovered. The overall investment arm India states oil and natural gas located Gulf of Oman. Chabar port is located Gulf of Oman. Sista, Balochistan province and Markan coast jointly the development of India, Iran, Afghanistan and the geographical proximity with the India for the Chabar. Shahid Kalandari and the Shahid Bahishti is the two terminal. Shahid Bahishti being developed to the jointly India, Afghanistan, Iran trilateral transit agreement. India has the granted 10-year lease development for this Shahid Bahishti port of Chabar. Iran decided to proceed with the construction of rail for the Chabar and the Jahedan border of Afghanistan. A trilateral agreement establishment international transit corridor, transit transportation corridor goods on Afghanistan. So the Iran bypassing Pakistani territory and Jaran Dilaram highway for the Afghanistan. Under the agreement towards the developing Chabar port based Afghanistan, India also pact with the Iran to provide the requisite construction of Chabar Jahedan railway line. Iran nuclear deal. So Iran and the Russia, China, European countries resume negotiation in Vienna to revive the Joint Comprehensive Plan. JCPOA is also known for the deal with signed the Iran P+5 China, France, Germany, Russia, US, UK. Prohibition from the enriching uranium. Enriched uranium 90% weapon. Iran also agreed to implement the protocol to allow the inspectors from International Atomic Energy assess the nuclear sites. IAEA is the Cooperation for Nuclear Field, widely known for the World Atom Peace of the Development, and it's a 1957 response to deep fear expectation generated by the discovery of diverse use of nuclear technology. Headquarters is the Vienna, Australia. Independent international organization reports to the UN General Assembly. When necessary, IAEA reports to UN Security Council and instant for the non-compliance of safeguard. India-Palestine policy. India-Palestine is the rise Balfour Declaration, British mandate to the Palestine. UN intervened formation of Israel-Palestine two states and the first Arab-Israel war. Now Israel declared the independence. Holocaust increased the dam for the Jewish states, West Bank. Nationalist Jews across the globe. Oslo Accord for resulting the assassination of Israel and Israeli ultra-nationalist. First formation Hamas and Israel. Gaza, Hamas take control. Israel occupied the Palestinian land for the Gaza Strip. So two-state solution, Palestinian state and independent sovereign Israeli state. Peel Commission was there. Jewish and Arab and neutral territory containing the holy place. United Nations partition plan for the Palestinian. For Arab, two-state solution agreed upon the Madrid Peace Accord, and India support the two-state solution for Palestinian statehood. Next is Madrid Peace Conference, full diplomatic relation with the Israel, two-state solution and dehydration policy, dehyphenation policy, India relation with the Israel, and independent specific India from Palestine. Significance of Jerusalem, Al-Aqsa Mosque in the Jerusalem, Christianity and Western Wall is place of the Judaism, Church of the Holy Sepulchre, the church where Jesus burial, sacred Christianity. New Quad is India, Israel, UAE and US. USA, UAE, Israel, India for the Quadrilateral Economic Forum. Abraham Accords between the Israel and the Arab UAE. Indo-Abrahamic Accord, Mohammed Soliman, Egyptian scholar. The new mini-lateral suggests to the more international regional policy demonstrate feasibility, non-ideological engagement of Middle East. Various regions are there. UAE also become the Gulf nation to open in the embassy of Tel Aviv. India is dialogue with the Israel for concluding the FTA coincide 30th anniversary establishment diplomatic between the two countries started right after the creation of state of Israel, reached to the peak with the establishment full diplomatic relationship, upgrade to the strategic partnership, economic third largest partner with the Asia. Agriculture, both countries signed the 3-year work for this development and agriculture cooperations. Defense and security, top 3 arms suppliers of cultural relationships also India, Israel, R&D and the technological innovations. Promote the facilitate support joint industrial R&D projects facilitate to this. India United Arab Emirat Comprehensive Economic Partnership SEPA. So it's India will value the close 60 billion, UAE third largest partner for the trade. India Oman for the joint military cooperation, forum for defense engagement and establishment relationship with upgraded strategic partnerships. Closest defense partner of the Gulf region assists the Oman port of Duqm and the military use of the logistic support. Next one is the Nagorno-Karabakh region and the Syria, Lebanon, Kuwait, Dubai. So Black Sea is the connected to the Atlantic Ocean, Mediterranean Ocean, Atlantic and Mediterranean Ocean. Not okay. Various Bosphorus Strait connect to the Sea of Marmara and Dardanelles connect to the Aegean Sea. Dardanelles connect to the Aegean Sea. The north D is A. Dardanelles, Aegean Sea. Bosphorus B is Marmara. So connected sea the Azov by the Kerch Strait. There is the Kerch Strait. Azov Kerch Strait is also Lebanon. Lebanon is the Israel shot artillery fire in retaliation. Iranian-backed Lebanese group Hezbollah. United Nations interim forces Lebanon said to the situation was urged to all parties ceasefire. Lebanon is the Beirut capital, mountainous nation of the Levant. Dubai is the London Eye. We can say Dubai will open the world's largest, tallest observation wheel and Dubai. Southeast Arabian Peninsula, 7 Emirates are UAE for Burj Khalifa, world's tallest skyscraper in the Dubai. Yemen is capital is Sana'a and Anar air base is Al Anad air base in Yemen, and Red Sea Bab el Mandab on the west. Okay, it's a old walled city of the Shimbam and UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Manhattan of the desert, which in the Oman, Yemen. Manhattan of the desert, we can say it's a old walled city of Shibam deserts is also there. Al Anad air base. Syria, Damascus is the major water body. Syria is the eastern Mediterranean, Euphrates River and the bordering to the Turkey, Iraq, Jordan, Israel and Lebanon. Turkey, Iraq, Jordan, Israel, Lebanon. Gulf of Oman. Iran has opened the first oil terminal, Gulf of Oman, to Iranian tankers using the strategic vulnerable state of Hormuz. So you can see the Syria, this Iraq, Jordan. Saudi Arabia is not bordering to the Syria, Turkey, Egypt, Lebanon and the Israel. Saudi Arabia is not bordering, but Iran is also not bordering to the Syria. State of Hormuz, you can see here approximately 21. It's Iran, Oman, UAE. This is stage of Hormuz. Iran, UAE and the Oman, Gulf of Oman and Persian Gulf, in between the Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman, in between the state of Hormuz. Next is the Kuwait city. First of see, it's a Abdullah Channel is Kuwait, Persian Gulf. This is Kuwait Bay and this is Al Jubair. So this is the Kuwait Bay. So next is Kuwait city. It's a United Nations panel. USD 600 million to the Kuwait nation. Iraq invasion occupation. Kuwait resulted US Gulf War. Founding member of Gulf Cooperation Council, non-NATO ally. Is regional intergovernmental political economical union. So Nagorno-Karabakh region, decade of old conflict between the Armenia and Azerbaijan. Nagorno-Karabakh is surface. The Karabakh is internationally recognized part of the Azerbaijan, but most of the region controlled by Armenia. Okay, now next one is the American, India and US. What is the basic things? Both sides signed a statement for the guiding principles for triangular cooperation, global development, pact validity, feed to the future and triangular training program, Africa project under this, and initially signed 2014. Triangular cooperation was the involved actors. See infographic 2 from the south, facilitating beneficiary partners and one of the north pivotal partners. So be beneficiary pivotal and the facilitating north south in used to be the social economic political defense. India Japan cooperation, India Asia Africa for the growth corridor, supporting India trade preference to the Africa and the Department of International Development. India USA signed the project agreement for the unmanned aerial vehicle and the defense technology trade related to the India industry project export license via the project agreement And project second category undertaken to the research, development, testing, evaluation agreement, major defense partner of the trade and authorization. 2+2 dialogue between two countries, general security, military information, JCMOA, Limoa, Comca Casa. Basic. India USA agreed to transitional approach equilateral levy for the digital tax, and on this unilateral measures compromise US, Australia and the France, Italy and the Spain are there. EL is introduced to the tax foreign firm with no permanent establishment in India, Amazon, Google. Later, US conducted investigation into digital tax. Australia, India and Italy citing these discriminate on US digital companies. 136 countries including the India agreed to the enforce global minimum cooperation deal required to the country to remove the all digital service and proposed by the global tax deal for the two components of the pillar 1, which is the reallocation and additional share profit for pillar 2. India will continue to be the on implementation pillar 1 which was earlier. So Americans, Central America and the Caribbean island, Caribbean Sea and Gulf of Mexico, Hudson Bay, Labrador Sea, Gulf of California and the Argentina, South Pacific Ocean, Gulf of Mexico is the Central American and the Caribbean island. Now next one is the Central America, Caribbean island, Dominica. It's a code. Dominica has restarting the authority from the deporting fugitive Indian businessman Mehul Choksi from the Caribbean islands country until the further orders. Haiti is the president of Haiti assassinated. Cuba recently developed the Subarnarekha vaccine, world first conjugate vaccine combining to the virus receptor binding domain. Barbados is become the world's newest republic in the recommended Jamaica. Mount Hileba is the highest point. Nicaragua is the cut to the diplomatic Taiwan and officially recognized one China, people of China to its only legitimate government. Honduras is the Castro was sworn in the first woman president of Honduras is the Jimora Castro. Vincent the Grenelles is the condemned and the attack, and Vincent as the Grenelles counterpart was injured. Chile is the youngest ever president is the Gabriel Boric become the Chile's youngest president. It is the longest, narrowest country of the world. Next is India-UK relationship. During the summit roadmap 2030 delivered the bilateral and comprehensive strategic partnership, strongest engagement, key area of the people-to-people contact, economy, defense, security, strategic partnership, strengthen the cooperation, implement the migration mobility partnership around the future work, implement Saath for the celebration, enhance the partnership for the exchange of cooperation and service, IT, digital tech, UK company to invest in India manufacturing sectors, and production link incentive, defense, international security and the partnership with the promote the freedom of navigation, open access, promote international security, stability of the cyberspace, cooperation and infrastructure, global green grid initiative, COVID-19 with political declaration by the national leaders and incurred technical and financial research cooperation help deliver the India vision, one sun, one world, one grid. India-UK partnership on vaccine, therapeutic and diagnostic. India-UK for vaccine have developed the distribution policy and guarantee equitable global supply by this. While announcing the enhanced trade partnership in the visual summit, UK government, Britain, India will begin to the formal free trade agreements. Broad-based India-UK free trade agreement for the BTIA UK. EU although struck down the growing difference regarding to the greater market. India-Eurasia is for the bringing the political institutional traction for the India-Pacific maritime geopolitical that India should recalibrate the contingency strategy Eurasia geographical representations covering the Europe, Asia, lack of an agreed international understanding, but Russia and the represent the Eurasia while its parts like the Asia and the greater Middle East. So region will be commodities of crude oil, natural gas, cotton, gold, copper, aluminum, iron. Between the Europe and Asia, checking the Chinese influence, overcome the hostile alliance, greater engagement with European Union, Russia, collaboration with Iran, Arabia is also there. Global Gateway is the EU 300 billion infrastructure plan to counter China's Belt and Road Initiative. So plan promise to promote high social environment, fiscal, labor standard and the initiative for the infrastructure development and build big better initiative of G7. transparent infrastructure for the USD 40 plus trillion Asia Africa Growth Corridor, which is the India's Japanese collaboration vision to the Asia Africa Growth Corridor Japanese regarding the development of activities. So this is the global gateway. Build Back Better in the Asia Africa Growth Corridor. Asia Europe meeting ASEM is the first plenary session for the 13th ASEM Summit. ASEM Informal Forum Dialogue Cooperation, and its ASEM represents the 62% world population, 57% GDP. Is the main purpose to provide platform for the fostering political dialogue, strengthening economic cooperation, and tackling the global challenges. Next one is the Lithuania, Belarus, Kosovo, Serbia, Georgia, Albania, Slovakia, Port of the Beast, and the Northern Iceland. Albania is the North Atlantic Treaty Organization launched the joint military exercise in Albania, Defender Europe 21. Albania, located at western part of Balkan Peninsula on the state of Ontario, southern entrance of Adriatic Sea. So Albania is the North Atlantic NATO military exercise. Albania of the Defender Europe 21, Balkan Peninsula, state of the Ontario. Belarus is the Minsk is the capital, so it's a fresh sanctuary to Belarus after the detention. So unit is become independent. Belarus, formerly Belarusia, White Russia, highest point of the Dizhokaya Hill and the Dnieper River is the Belarus in the northern bank of the Black Sea. Georgia is the Tbilisi, Georgia, India handed Greater Caucasus Mountain in the Georgia and the Inguri, Rohini, Kodori major rivers in Inguri, Rohini and Kodori. Greater Caucasus Mountain, Queen of Katamaran relics which brought to India, Portuguese Missouri. This is the handed to the relic. Port Brest in France is part of the ongoing overseas development of the Tabar, and the Brest is for the dividend by the Penefred River and the Quaran Peninsula. Lithuania is the European Union launched to the against China at the World Trade Organization for the targeting Lithuania. Lithuania is the quit China's 17+1 cooperation forum, and Nemam River is in the Lithuania. So its distinctive feature of the Lithuania present of the 3000 lakhs in the Lithuania. WTO is the Lithuania over states of Taiwan. Slovenia is recently India Slovenia 8 Foreign Office consultation bilateral relationship between the multilateral forum India and Slovenia for the mostly mountainous and fostered the Dynamic Alps and the Juliep Alp for the Danube River is major river. Northern Ireland is the European Union for the Britain demand for the new port of Brexit. Iceland occupy about the 1/6 of the island Northern Channel Irish Sea. Northern Ireland from the England and Wales of the east, southern respectively. Antrim Mountain of the Mourne Mountain and the Spracey Mountain are the river Ban and the river Backwater, river Lagan. Kosovo is the Pristina. Recently, India, Serbia reaffirmed each other position, territory integrity, sovereignty of the Kashmir and Kosovo. Kosovo part of the Serbia, Belgrade, successor of the Yugoslavia and the co-founder of non-aligned movement. Kosovo declared independence from Serbia and largely recognized USA, major EU nations dominated from the Albanian ethnicity. Next one is international organization. So UN is the international organization for 24 October. It was got Prime Minister pointed out the Indian contribution to the UN. UN is international organization 1945 to maintain the peace, security. Indian contribution is also there. So this is first again the colonization apartheid. First apartheid into the UN. Peacekeeping also India provided 20,000 dose COVID vaccine. Women contingent for UN Security Council is a member state contributed by this. Basic principle is impartiality, non-use of force, and India and the collaboration with UN for the Unite to the Aware of program. Territorial right development and economical issues UNCTAD for the establishment need for enhance the flow of the official treatment, terrorism and the human rights draft comprehensive convention international terrorism drafting the universal declaration of human rights re-elected to the United Nations Human Rights Council. Member state elected directly individually for the majority of the member for General Assembly period of 3 years immediate for the relocation. Reform for the UN collaborating with India, Brazil, Germany, Japan and group of like-minded countries for Asia, Africa, Latin America. United Nations Security Council, it's a 2-year tenure permanent member become. This was the presidency. UNSC rotate on the monthly basis among the 15 members following the English alphabetic order. India will decide the agenda, boost resolution directive while binding all the states, and three priority areas: maritime security, counter-terrorism, peacekeeping. Deploy mobile app of Unite Aware, provide certain information and improving situation awareness, peacekeeping. China, France, Russia, Latin America, veto power. UNSC principal organ that United Nations with primary responsibility maintaining the international peace, security. General Assembly, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice. UN organ that has the power to the make decision on member state obliged to implement. Campaigning to the permanent seat UNSC. Germany, Japan, Brazil. So comprising the Italy, Pakistan, Mexico, Egypt club to the permanent membership. UN Security Council adopted India-led UN Security Council global approach demand accountability from the Taliban. So territory is not used for terrorism, and it also called for inclusive government negotiation and political settlement, partnership of the minority and women. G20 extraordinary summit on the Afghan for further build upon its. United Nations Security Council unanimously passed resolution to facilitate the delivery of humanitarian Afghanistan. It carved out the humanitarian assistance for sanction under the resolution 2255 and 1988 concerns associated with the Taliban. Resolution mandate review the every 6 months. So 2615 facilitate delivery of the humanitarian aid to the Afghanistan. 2615. Okay. Next is G20. Recently, India and G20 Troika, with India will hold the presidency G20. So G20 International Forum will together work major economics for the account for more than 80% of world GDP, 75% trade, 60% population met every year, include the yearly summit participation respective heads of the state and government. Summit ministerial meeting of the Sherpa meeting, charges carrying out the negotiation and building the consensus. Policy coordination, promote the financial regulation, create new investment and financial track, focus on the global economy, financial issue, fiscal exchange policy. Sherpa track engagement, anti-corruption, development quality. G20 is not a permanent secretariat, but Troika is the top grouping within the G20 consists current, previous, incoming presidency. Troika member India will be the work closest with this G20 support international organization cooperation, OECD, IMF and labor organizations. India is the founding member of G20 and role of for new idea. World Health Organization is there about the proposed sustainable financial model. World Health Organization assists the contribution, voluntary contribution, but previously funded entirely by assessed contribution. Voluntary contribution 54%, 80% total income assists the contribution. So it's a providing leadership, partnership, shaping the research, setting up norms, articulating the policy, providing the technical support and monitoring. It's working for the sustainable financial call, and 50% agency core will budget 2028. Suspension and expulsion of countries from the international organization. So Taliban and Afghanistan. Afghanistan is various international organization. Article 6 UN Charter is the UN Security Council. Persistently violated the UN Charter. Article 5 UN Charter on the suspension of this. Article 14 International Monetary Fund for the compulsory withdrawal. SARC for under this category is the implied power to suspend the expel the countries. Three situations are regime will be changed: the democratic, anti-democratic, human rights violations, and country commit to the armed aggression. Shanghai Cooperation Organization is the heads of the state council. This is the highest decision making body. Heads of the governing council, two permanent body: SCO Security Council and the SCO Interbank Consortium Expansion Bank Service. Secretariat coordinate the SCO information analytical legal organizations, regional work for the combating regional terrorism, separatism. CSTO military alliance promote the collective defense and the originate to the collective security treaty based on the principle of collective defense, NATO. CSTO Armenia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia Federation and Tajikistan is the member. C. Japan is not the member. China is not the member. CSTO. India highlighted the problem. India is also not the member. Problem causing by growing the radicalization extremism in the CSO. Permanent international political economic organization, regional development, security, terrorism, separation, and power to permanent members UN Security Council. Now next one is the Shanghai 5. China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and Russia and Tajikistan. Working language Russian and Mandarin. SCO is the 24% of the world's GDP, 43% of the trade, and cultural diversity. So you can say India and Pakistan has become the permanent member of this. Now, next one is the Association of Southeast Asian and ASEAN. ASEAN Digital Work Plan for the plan system to combating use of stolen counterfeit mobile handset, Wi-Fi access to the network, capacity building, knowledge sharing. So the ASEAN Digital Work approved to the ASEAN Digital Ministry of the meeting is association established to promote political social stability Asia Pacific, and it will be the signed ASEAN Declaration, Bangkok Declaration. Funding further will be the ASEAN, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines. ASEAN One Vision, One Identity, One Community. ASEAN Secretariat Indonesia, Jakarta, and third largest market of the world. ASEAN declared itself nuclear weapon free zone. 13 BRICS summits. BRICS is the acronym which is the Cooperation, Continuity, Consolidation, Consensus. BRICS, intra-BRICS is 4C and fundamental principle of the partnership. So on the COVID, we can say PM BRICS cooperation under motto build big, better, resilience, innovativeness, credibility, sustainability. New Delhi Declaration for setting up the Afghan situation peaceful means reform to the principal organ United Nations Security Council position for the strengthening, reforming multilateral system, humanitarian situations, and to uphold the human rights, including those of the women, children, minority, accelerate the implementation, action, and the plan for counterterrorism. Agreement on the space and remote sensing satellite will enhance the research, climate change, disaster management, prevention of foods and water scarcity, agriculture cooperation adopted. BRICS is the group major emerging economy. Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. 41% population, 24% GDP, 16% world trade is political security, economic, financial, cultural security. New development bank for the BRICS country contingent reserve arrangement will be there. So it's China officially took over the BRICS chairmanship and will host the BRICS summits. BRICS Sherpa is the meeting of this virtually. Sherpa is the personal representative leader of the member country in international summits such as the G8, G20. The term is derived from the Nepalese Sherpa people, which is the guide to the mountaineer in the Himalaya. Coordination against agenda, seek consensus principles series for the pre-summit consultation, help negotiations. There is the 12th meeting of the BRICS for the Science and Tech Steering Committee. So it's BRICS Innovation Cooperation Agenda, facilitate the sharing for this other innovation system, antimicrobial resistant, big data energy. BRICS New Development Bank. In New Development Bank, World Bank Group is for the Washington DC, IBRD, IFC, IDA, MEGA is for the consensus loan, concession loan, equity investment grants, and the loans for the guaranteed with some difference. International Monetary Fund, Washington DC is the mainly policy for the exchange, particular policy, privatization agreement. African Development Bank of the group, which is the Abidjan and Ivory Coast for the Grand African Development Bank. Asian Development Bank, Manila, Philippines, and it's for the loans. Grand Asian Development Bank. New Development Bank, Shanghai, syndicated loan, private investment, equity investment, project bonds, and co-financing. Asian Infrastructure Bank, Beijing, which loans to the investing to the capital and enterprises. So it's a bank membership open the member. $100 billion support public-private partnerships and governance structure. Board will be the board director for presidency. World Bank Group is for the IBRD, the international development of the association, international finance, and the multilateral MEGA center settlement investment disputes will be there. So is a not the part of the ICSDI India. SAARC is the meeting was cancelled and as state enabled to agree upon the participation of Afghanistan. The South Asian Association Regional Cooperation established the SAARC Charter. Dhaka. Agriculture, rural development, telecommunication, meteorology, health and population. Headquarters Secretariat at Kathmandu, Nepal. Based on principle sovereignty, equity and integrity, political independence, Afghan become the newest member of the SAARC. SAARC summit held 2014 Kathmandu and subsequent summit could not be held because of the strained for India Pakistan COVID-19 emergency fund was there. SAARC Development Fund for collaboration, social sector, poverty alleviation and development for South Asian University located at India. Degree certificates award, SOU award the university. South Asian Regional Standard Organization is coordination cooperation of the SAARC. Other international law commission is the Professor Bimal Patel has been elected for International Law Commission, and this United Nations body established the General Assembly promotion of the progressive development international law codification concerned the primary with the public international law and 34 member also. International Court of Justice it's held to the India National Kulbhushan Jadhav appeal and give effect to the International Court of Justice. Hague is the headquarter. Main judicial organ is the UN of principle. Yeah, International Court of Justice is the UN. Okay. and principal only one or not located in New York. Okay, UN is only one, not 15 judges, 9-year term, and final and binding judgment. International Criminal Police, Interpol is the Praveen Sinha was elected delegate to the Asia Interpol. Is coordinate the police 95 members. Headquarters the Lyon, France, and countries host to the Interpol National Center Bureau. CBI designated to the India. Red line, red notice will be the wanted person. Green for the warning and the warnings. Yellow for the missing person, blue for the additional information, black for the unidentified body, purple for the modus operandi, and orange for the imminent threat, and green notice for the warning and intelligence, and red for the wanted person. So it's Interpol. OPEC and the OPEC plus. So UAE, an organization petroleum export. OPEC plus group is extending global pact for the cut the oil production beyond the could not reach to consensus backdrop of falling oil prices. OPEC plus was the into 2-year output pact. India new production agreement for the steep cut into the crude production of the better price discovery. OPEC is the Vienna Permanent Intergovernmental Organization created the Baghdad Conference to coordinate, unify the petroleum among the members, secure fair and stable price for petroleum, ensure the efficient, economical, regular supply of petroleums. And this was the OPEC plus countries. This Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Brunei, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Mexico existent contract to the capacity to produce the oil. Asian Infrastructure Bank, it's a Beijing to improve the social economic outcome of Asia. Multilateral Development Bank founding member is the second largest shareholder AIIB. For this approved the more loans for the India. And Reporters Without the Borders is the world leading NGO of defense and promotion of freedom of information, consistent status for the UNESCO and the UN Council for Europe annually for the World Press Freedom Index. So it's brought to be the following finding of the India professional and around the world. Number killed to the lowest. Mexico now. Internet Governance Forum is the inclusive internet for digital India is based on the internet governance policy together to the various group considering to all it's India growing influence international policy formulation around the internet. So it's a inclusive international digital India. Now next is issue related to the security. First bilateral defense exercise. What exercise Milan? It's a all India ocean littoral state country Southeast Asia. Exercise Cutlass Express is 12 African countries US, UK, India, various international organization of the dragon crime and Interpol participated along the Africa. Southeast Asia Cooperation Training CCAT is US Navy led Southeast Asia Cooperation Training CCAT military exercise to foster the enhanced cooperation between the Southeast Asian. Malabar is the US, Japan, Australia, India. Dosti is the Maldives, India and the Sri Lanka. Timex Singapore. Chiru is the Iran, Russia and the China. Panex is the Panex Humanitarian Assistance Disaster. Chiru is the Russia, China, Iran. Panex is a disaster relief act for the Pune with the participation BIMSTEC country Baghdad, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand and India. Panex for the humanitarian disaster relief. Sagar Shakti is the mega multi exercise states India combat readiness. Kutch India Army and the Command Army, Indian Navy, Air Force and Border Security, Gujarat Force, Marine Force. Operation Sarp Vinash. Sarp Vinash is operation against the militant longest in area. Operation Sarp Vinash is the counter-terrorism operation placed in the Surankote area of the Pir Panjal range, Kashmir Valley. Target is the operation for place called the Hill Kaka. Exercise Peaceful Mission foster close to the SCO members. Peaceful Mission SCO multinational military contingent. Now next one is the places in the news in Africa. Now Tigray region in the Africa is increased the atrocities of Ethiopia, Tigray. So this city is Ethiopia and it's for the river is here Gesh river and Tekeji river. Dinakil plain including the Kobar Sink. Mali, Bamako, Africa. Mali suffered from the transitional coups in the Prime Minister arrest. Niger river is there in the Mali functioning main trading transport. Kingdom of Eswatini, Africa. Previously known the Kingdom of Swaziland, Eswatini is for the flank South Africa where the Mozambique. Gambia is Africa is the signed MOU to strengthen the promote cooperation situated Atlantic coast and surrounded by the neighboring country of the Senegals and Gambia River, African smallest non-Iceland river. Tripoli, Africa is for that a dozen people are living in the Tripoli of the Libya, situated northwestern Libya and the Mediterranean Ocean. It's the country largest to the seaport, Tripoli and Africa, and the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, planned to be the Ethiopia Blue Nile and generate the electricity disputed Sudan, Egypt and the high dependent Nile water. Only full operated dam can be risk the high Aswan Dam and the level which is the considered to be the lifeline of Egypt. Tunisia, Africa. Its recently President of Tunisia suspended the parliament. Nationwide protest, economic troubles in the COVID-19. Mount Chambi and Majara River is the flow through the country. Darfur region is for the Sudan and the Darfur Omar al-Bashir in the International Criminal Courts, which is the official for the Darfur conflict. Darfur region is the western parts of the Sudan near to the border of Libya, Chad and Central African Republic. Capital northeastern country Morocco, Africa. Recently Israel opened the diplomatic mission Morocco under the Abraham Accords. So it's a Maghreb Leagues, North Africa part of Maghreb Leagues. Batuta and the Moroccan scholars. Zambia is the Africa is the position of the Hakainde Hichilema defeated the incumbent become the president. Landlocked political stable Zambia is home to Victorian Falls and the second largest copper produced. Guinea is the Africa is the part of the Western Africa. River Zambezi, Niger prominent river body. Somalia is the Africa. Mogadishu with Somalia as the peninsula. President suspend the Prime Minister steps so easternmost coast of the Africa lying northeastern Africa, Horn of Africa and equator passing through this Somalia. Burkina Faso, Africa has a witness military takeover. Political boundaries landlocked country and Burkina Faso is the landlocked country and it's a colony to the independent Upper Volta. So these was the places in the news in Africa. Now we are going to discuss other important news. East Asia Summit was a PM participated 16 East Asia Summit is leaderless forum. 18 country Asia Pacific joined this summit. 10 Asian members Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Singapore, Australia, China, India, Japan. India has been member of the East Asia Summit of the Kuala Lumpur. Development country status. UN General Assembly graduated 3 nations Bangladesh, Nepal, Laos for the least development countries and suffer from severe structural impediments, sustainable development, gross national income per capita, human assets and the economic vulnerability. Graduation threshold must be met 2 of the criteria. So it's China status of developing country, WTO contagious issue China for upper middle income country, unfair trade practice, preferential treatment, data restrictions and reference seeking benefits available to the development forward classification. There is the WTO definition of developed developing country member announced to themselves for developed and developing countries. However, other member is the challenge for the decision on the member for make use of the provision. Benefits claiming to the developing countries are the special regions or the special differential treatment province. WTO more lenient targets for the developing nations, more time to achieve this. Other countries offer the preferential treatment like generalized system of the preference and this will be the exemption of the most favored nation. Arctic Science Ministerial is for the jointly organized the Iceland and Japan first ministerial meeting being held to the Asia. So it's provide the opportunity various stakeholders including the academia, industry, community and the government for policy making, enhance the collective understanding Arctic region, open ocean mooring and long-term monitoring upper ocean basin meteorological for NASA, ISRO synthetic aperture radar satellites, joint ISRO and NASA mission global observation for the masses and polar Kairos pairs will be there. Community Portuguese language country and Lusophone Commonwealth is the Lusophone nation. Political diplomatic coordination and the promotion of the diffusion. Troika Plus is the Pakistan, China, Russia, United States, China, Russia, United States, Pakistan discuss the Afghanistan mounting banking crisis. So the Troika Plus for the hosted Russia with the India, Iran, 5 other nations. Henley Passport Index number of destination their holders without the prior visa released to the Henley partners. rank 83 in the India, Japan and Singapore top the index. India-Denmark summit is deepening the cooperation of the science and technology, and Denmark for the strategic partnership, political cooperation, expand the economic relationships. International cooperation of Convention of Center Rudraksh. Rudraksh is the India inaugurated the Varanasi Kyoto Varanasi partnership sister city cooperation cultural hub medium and united different peoples. So sister city cooperation Kyoto Varanasi for 5 area identified the Japanese extend to the help to the rejuvenate the Corbe Ahmedabad. Now next one is the digital sovereignty is the Sydney Dialogue. Prime Minister said the digital age raising the new questions on the sovereignty and guarantee ethnic law, right and security. Digital sovereignty right of the state government to the networks of the national interest, data sovereignty, data residency, data localization, identification of data and ownership. Sydney Dialogue is for the Australian strategic policy, bring together the political business and the government. World most extensive public information infrastructure, digital identity, efficient payments infrastructure, use of digital technology, governance, inclusion. World's third largest, fastest growing startup ecosystem. We have massive digital transformation, industry and service, indigenous capability, telecom technology, 5G, 6G emphasized was to be the creating the standards norm on the data governance. Data is the considered national resource, importance for transparent policy and access to the data should be democratized. India digital sovereignty is the leverage the data tool to economic growth development, prevent the inadequate construction of digital rules and data security, bilateral security, personal data protection bill for provide the protection of personal data and RBI system to be the ensure the entire data related to the payments. East Asia Summit is the about it's a unique leader led forum, 18 countries, East Asia region. Objective regional peace, security, prosperity. Asia member states Brunei, Cambodia, Australia, China, India, Japan. India has been a member of East Asia Summit inception of Kuala Lumpur. Developing country status. UN General Assembly guaranteed the three nations, the Bangladesh, Nepal, Laos, and from the least developed countries category to the developing country grouping, suffer from the severe structural impediment, achieve the sustainable development goal, global national income, human asset index, economic vulnerability index, and guardian threshold to be the three criteria. It's delivering the benefits of reserve developing countries, upper middle income of Ganga, and unfair trade practice, preferential treatment, forego to the classification of developing country, WTO definition, developed developing country members for the announce themselves to develop and developing benefits claiming will be the developed for the special rights or the special differential treatment provisions target the development nation more time to be achieved. Arctic Science Ministry is there ongoing to the Iceland, Japan, and the ministerial meeting being to the Asia conducted to the non-Arctic region also. Objective provide opportunity stakeholder, academia, industry, government, collective understanding of Arctic's open ocean mooring, long-term monitoring of the ocean and meteorological parameters. NISAR is there. Community Portuguese and the language country is for the associate observer. Lusophone Commonwealth is Lusophone nations are across the country where the Portuguese is official language. Brazil, Angola, political diplomatic coordination, Guinea, Mozambique. Troika Plus is the Pakistan, China, Russia, United States. Now next one is the digital sovereignty. Sydney Dialogue is there, which is the highlight the important transaction taking place in India. World important public information infrastructure. Sydney Dialogue, massive digital transformation. India digital sovereignty vision to the pillars. So this step in India personal data protection bill and RBI direction to the provider of the data. Our next democratic principle of global governance is summit for the democracy. Prime Minister advocated democratic principle to guide global governance. Two-state flagship presidential for the US. It put democracy, human rights in foreign policy. Leader from democratic government, civil society, private sector. Three pillars are there. Summit will be the president's initiative democracy for 242 million. So, Global State Democracy reports released by the International Institute for the Democracy Electoral Assistant reports refer to the main region type of democracy, hybrid, authoritarian democracy, all competitions and chance for this. Not only the hybrid but authoritarian regime define the democracy, 5 core attributes. Reports highlight the authoritarian directions and going to be the democratic direction. Idea is intergovernmental organization with the mandate to promote the advanced democracy, and India is the founding member of this. Democracy population for this political equity. India major nuclear energy cooperation program. India, France, both the long histories there. 1650 each European pressurized reactor, and France and India submitted the binding techno-commercial efforts to nuclear power. India-Russia cooperation is there for the India during this time. Limited in India engagement with the Russia. Nuclear energy country like India signing the tripartite agreement Russia, Bangladesh to work together. The Ropur nuclear power plant in the Bangladesh. Ropur in the Bangladesh. Okay. India UN USA 123 agreement so granted to the NSG granted a clean waiver to the India. India become only country nuclear weapon not party to the NPT, and India signed the agreement IAEA for the safeguarding which subjected to India's civil nuclear power. India Japan agreement nullification clause, and which is the suspend the cooperation between the party in case of India conducting nuclear tests. Importance of this agreement with Japan hold a near monopoly reactor elements of the reactor. India France is joining this 9900 nuclear power Jaipur power plant, and France energy for the agreement will Indo-Pacific waiver of nuclear, and this wall. Okay. India civil nuclear cooperation, natural uranium, then electricity generation, second stage, third stage. There is third stage mix the thorium uranium, and second fueled by the mix of the plutonium, and with the sufficient stock of thorium introduced to the convert this. So Tarapur Atomic Power Station Nuclear Supply Group, it was established 1974 as a result of successful nuclear tests conducted. Operation Smiling Buddha as a Pokhran group of the nuclear supplier country is the contribute to the Non-Proliferation Nuclear Treaty. India is a not member of NSG. Rosatom began a construction Kundakulam nuclear power plants is Nuclear Power Corporation India. So is power of the Department of Atomic Energy is at present India have civil nuclear agreement 14 countries, and this despite the not being a signatory to the Non-Proliferation Treaty. Nuclear Supply Group central tenets of agreement peaceful purpose of nuclear power, information nuclear material equipments, and self-moratorium on conducting the nuclear test. Pokhran and NPT is signatory now. Next one is the China's initiative Debt Trade Diplomacy. So report of the Center Global Development highlight the Belt and Road Initiative of China, Djibouti, Laos, Maldives, Mongolia, Montenegro, and the Pakistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan. Debt to GDP ratio is the 50%, around the 40% of the external debt is there. Silk Road, economic belt, maritime roads, and the infrastructure, plant, railway, oil pipeline, gas pipeline, ports, China, Pakistan economic corridor. Development nation led by the China offer the cheap loans. Developing countries, mostly low middle income countries, remain incapable of carrying out the repayments. Opportunity for the China demand concessions and advantage to the exchange the debt relief. Concession may include the handling over the control of strategical valuable facilities such as port, natural resources, and land. Economic dominance may also be converted to political leverage, which can be based on the influence of domestic and foreign policy. The Blue Dot Network is initiative to the gather finance U.S. international development, international cooperation, Australia, and foreign affairs certified body that will be evaluate the infrastructure construction project of this. Coalition for Disaster Resilience is UN agency program, multilateral development, private sector, knowledge and new existing infrastructure, Africa Asia growth corridor, India and Japan for the improving the digital connectivity and Indo-Japan cooperation, European Union for new connectivity strategy for the strategic purpose they engage with the Asia and the sustainable comprehensive rule-based approach. Trans-European transport network is policy 10T. So it's a development of European-wide network railway and a waterway. Global Infrastructure Facility G20. Global Infrastructure Facility is G20 initiative, which is the collaborative platform integrate the efforts to boost the private investment, sustainable quality and the infrastructure in the developing country in the emerging market. Now next one is the non-aligned movement. It's for the peaceful coexistence, equity, mutual non-interference, mutual non-aggression, mutual respect of each territory integrity, sovereignty. Name was created, founded during the independence struggle, Africa, Asia, Latin America, and height Cold War. Idea declared themselves non-aligned movement from this nascent military NATO and Warsaw Pact. Egypt, Ghana, India, Yugoslavia. Founding father, origin of the Asia-Africa Conference, Bandung, Indonesia. 10 principle of the Bandung main is the name. So is the leadership India, Yugoslavia, Egypt, and Ghana. Name first conference, first end of the Cold War movement seems to be the lowest relevance, but during the Havana summits reaffirmed their commitment to the ideal principle and purpose upon which they are the United Nations Charter. So Azerbaijan, Belarus, and 17 countries are there in the name. Our next one is the small news. Iceland development strategy. So recently, some development changes were opposed to the Iceland, Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar. Lakshadweep administration has introduced the legislation, the Lakshadweep Animal Preservation Regulation, for causing any animal slaughter without a certified issue authority. The Lakshadweep Panchayat regulation make the person with more than 2 children ineligible to the continue the member. Regulation state preservation animal suitable for the males. Lakshadweep Development Authority regulations was any of the common menace Iceland development purpose. Lakshadweep prevention anti-social activity regulation. There is the considerable for this for the AP2 like public project, public-private partnership, peace, public-private partnerships, and people participations, and budgetary plan to create the optimal public value environment conducive for the private sectors. Development strategy, social strategy generate the additional for the Iceland supportive strategy. हाँ यार तू हमेशा मैंने पूछा मैं मुख्य तो शोर तो मचायो खाली काकुस में घुसा नहीं है. Iceland Development Agency is there. So this is the chaired by the Union Home Minister, Secretary of the various ministry. Exclusive economic zone. UNCLOS is generally extended 200 nautical miles, which is the coastal states have the right exploration, exploitation, and conservation of management natural resources core. So this is the territorial sea, 12 nautical mile, contiguous zone 24, and the whole is the exclusive economic. Territorial sea is the 12 nautical mile, baseline international waters, and exclusive economic continental shelf, and this is the deep water. AUKUS is what? Australia, UK, US announced the trilateral program AUKUS, USA, UK and Australia. So Australia, US, UK is the new security alliance that aim to deeper cooperation in Indo-Pacific and the greater share in the defense capability. Assist the cutting-edge military technology. Australia partners for Australia will abandon the US $43 billion plan for the build the French Convention submarine. UN Office on the Dragon Crime reports was the Afghan opinion products for the rise 5th year. Finding part of the UN Dragon Office crime launched at the meeting of the Paris Initiative on the draft trafficking. So opium harvest in the Afghanistan increased 8%. So global opium production and increasing the methamphetamine manufacturing in Africa. 45% heroin in India originate from Afghanistan. Methamphetamine is a growing bulk of the young users vulnerable to the South trafficking routes. Delhi Regional Security Dialogue. This first time call for the Central Asian country, not just Afghanistan, immediate land neighboring participating the formats is Russia, Iran, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and the agreement range issue peaceful, secure, stable Afghanistan, collective cooperation, radicalizations, extreme separations, and drug trafficking, humanitarian assistance provided to the direct assured, national maritime security corporations. This is the interface between the civilian, military, maritime under the national security advisors. Improve the efficiency, maritime energy security part of the East Asia Summit for the include the Sagar security and growth all the region, Deep Ocean Mission and the Sagarmala project. Principle for the global maritime security. 5 principles: removing the barrier from the legitimate maritime trades, common heritage and the modern sea routes, setting maritime disputes for the peaceful means and to basis of the international law, conventional law and the CUN. It's India resolve the dispute Bangladesh based on jointly facing the natural disaster and maritime threats created non-state actors. So globally, the United Nations Convention against the Transnational Organization Crime, preserving the maritime environment, resources, livelihood, social, cultural life, encouraging the responsible maritime connectivity, international ship and port facility security code, air defense identification zone. This is the provide the early warning system for help to the country detect the possible incursion of the sovereign errors. Not binding legal agreement, air defense for not binding legal but its overlap country cannot be shoots now. Financial action task force is a grey list. Pakistan implies strategic deficiency detected jurisdiction. Policy prevent money laundering, terror financing, difficult to country get financial aids and intergovernmental body established 1999 to the terrorists. India is a member of this. 5-5 is New Zealand cricket boards cancel the Pakistan to the tour. So 5-5 arrangement USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. USA, UK and New Zealand, Australia, Canada. Under the intelligence agency, these countries share the signals, military, human intelligence. So 5-5 New Zealand cricket board to cancel the Pakistan tour. And Defense Advisory Council is 203 rifle Russia. Rifle imported from the Russia. There is more than 6 lakh rifles. Its highest decision making body. Defense Minister is the head of this. Minister of Defense is the chairman. Project 75 is the Defense Ministry, which is the advisor indigenous construction of the conventional submarine, including the fuel cell and the independent propulsion plant. This technology allow the convention diesel electrical remain this China, Germany, Sweden, France, Spain is the first acquisition India undertaken to the strategic partnerships. Ordnance Factory Board is the dissolution of this board give to the shape to the corporate Ministry of Defense. 41 ordnance boards under which transfer to the 7 defense public sectors, improvement in the efficiency, making the product competition, production, testing, logistics, and this. Colombo Security Conclave is the developing regional cyber security capability, defensive operation, deep dark web, and building the digital forensics. National Security Advisor level trilateral Maldives, Seychelles, Sri Lanka for build capacity on the common security and through the pillar of the cooperation, maritime safety and security. Now, Log4Shell is for the worst cybersecurity flaws and vulnerability in the logging library. Hacker can be get the application of malicious software Log4Shell. Reveal is the amalgamation of ransomware, and Evil is Russia-based hacking organization Reveal, which is malware that employ encrypted to hold the victim information random and ransom and would steal data from the computer, log the victim and the computers. Law and the surveillance in India. So it's a take place in primarily under the Telegraph Act and the Information Technology Act. Under laws, government under the certain circumstances permitted the conduct surveillance. Telegraph Act government interpret call the certain situation like the interest and sovereignty integrity of the India. Friendly relations. So this is the restriction imposed by the Article 19 to IT procedure and safeguard international monitoring decryption information frame this law. Pegasus is a spyware and NGO NSO group. Territorial Army is the 72 Rising Day. Territorial Army was passed by 1948, part of the regular army and relieved to the static duty of natural calamity maintenance. Essential service will be there. Border Security Force is the search, arrest the suspect in the maze of seizure of 15 km India, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, CRPC. Passport and the Passport Entry Act 1965 safeguard border West Pakistan and Bangladesh country insurgency is there. National Cadet Corps is the Ministry of Defense constitute the higher level committee for the comprehensive review, youth development movement, developing the charter, camaraderies and discipline for secular outlook of spirit and venture, student for the school and college voluntary basis for the national level. Defense India startup for this is the India Innovation Defense Excellence Defense Innovation Organization IDEX is the achieve self-reliance foster innovation technology and MSME startup India Innovators R&D and not-for-profit organization and will relieve to be the setting up the managing IDEX. Manthan Ekatan identify the innovative concept of technology solutions, so security challenge for challenges for fake content identification cyber crimes. Organize the Bureau of Research and Development is Ministry of Home Affairs is the Manthan. White Shipping Information Exchange, Indian Navy and the Royal Navy of Oman shipping information. So white commercial shipping, grey shipping and the white shipping is the commercial, grey shipping is the military vessel and black for the illegal vessel. So imprising to the coastal offshore security, India signed the white shipping and the several countries including United States, Singapore, France. Operation Sadbhavana Goodwill. Operation Sadbhavana is a Jammu Kashmir Ladakh to residential school higher education institution as part of this. So Army decided to sponsor the 1110 student for the Kashmir Winnipeg Heart of the Minds to residents unique human initiative and address the aspirational pupil affected by the school age terrorism and active engagement in the army and civil administration. So this all was the Iceland development. We read now how many pages are there. Nuclear disarmament, 1 page, 2nd page, 3 page and 4 page, 5 page UAPA and 6 page. So 6 pages are left. So after 5 minutes we will